ओके जी, सो इट्स अबाउट टाइम टू अपग्रेड द एनिमीज। एंड आपको याद हो कि हमने ये जो एनिमी का प्रीफैब बनाया था, इसमें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ऑलरेडी मौजूद हैं। इट वाज अ थर्ड पर्सन कंट्रोलर, और इस थर्ड पर्सन कंट्रोलर के अंदर आपको बेसिकली इसकी एनिमेशंस वगैरह तो वी कैन नॉट डू मच अबाउट दैट, बट जैसे ही enemy can come and touch me, so literally any contact, any collision with me should actually take us to the game over. So एक काम तो मैं ये करना होगा कि हम scenes के अंदर जाके I could probably create a new scene. So file, new scene, save this scene for sure, and I'll literally make a game over title here. So I will have game object, UIs, canvas, and this canvas should scale with screen size, which is expected to be 1920 by 1080. We also need to have, so ये इसने हमारे लिए canvas बना दिया। इस canvas के ऊपर मैं एक दो चीज़ें add करूँगा। For example, I will add a UI, let's say a panel. So this panel is a semi-transparent thing which is scaling up to the size right now. What I'll do is I will probably change this to something more funky, maybe slightly green, and then this semi-funky thing ke upar I will add a text which says game over. Obviously, this needs to be increased in size because it's too small for this. I will, increase the font, make it centerline, change the color maybe. I don't know which looks better. Yeah, this is kind of better, or this. Nah, yellow is fine. Okay. So this is my game over scene. So when you run the game, you will see this. I can probably set the alpha to full so that there is no transparency. So इसके color का हमने alpha change कर दिया, तो अब जब game चलेगी तो मुझे game over ऐसे लिखा नजर आएगा. So what I'm going to do now is इस scene को और दूसरे scene, so let's save the scene, save as in the scenes folder, game over. And when I touch this, when I touch the enemy, I should actually come back. So I will go into file, build settings, और मैं इन दोनों scenes को actually इसमें drag in कर लूँगा ताकि हम code से इसको call कर सकें. And by default, my sample scene is the first one, game over is the other one. I go back to my original scene. Oh, lots of clouds, and this is what my whole game is. And then I could probably go down to see my explosion. Oh, explosion still has a light, so I should literally get rid of this explosion क्योंकि वो तो bullet के साथ आ ही रहा है. बल्कि I would love कि मैं my prefabs में जाके इस bullet के अंदर भी जो ये कोई light वाला portion था explosion में, there's this light. I will turn this off क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता कि एक रोशनी गोली के साथ जा रही हो. So now this is my situation with the game. So if I am firing a bullet, it is only showing me the sparks. It is not, the bullet is not taking a light with them. Alright. So if I wait for the enemy to collide, तो उसके लिए तो काम हमें बड़ा आसान है. We already know that कि हमें on collision का कोड लगाना पड़ेगा. So हमारे enemy में कोई ऐसा कोड नहीं है, लेकिन हमारे first person controller में एक स्क्रिप्ट हमने अपना भी ऐड किया था player script के नाम से. वो हम चेक कर लेते हैं. On collision enter, और इस on collision enter में we could check if the collision dot game object dot name dot starts with enemy. If this is the case, you should literally say game over. So उसके लिए आपको कहना पड़ेगा scene management dot load. उसके लिए हमें यहाँ एक line import करनी होती है. Scene manager dot load scene, और दूसरे सीन का नाम था गेम ओवर। गेम ओवर था, गेम ओवर सीन था, it was it is game over with a small g, so the g has to be smaller. So अब जब इस दफ़ा हम गेम चलाते हैं और एनिमी को नहीं मारते, let's see what happens. So this is not actually colliding with me. What's going on here? The name of the enemy is enemy clone and the collision is not working. What is the situation? Let's see. Situation ये है कि हमारा जो FPS कंट्रोलर है उसके अंदर एक कोलाइडर मौजूद है, जबकि हमारी एनिमीज में कोई कोलाइडर है. We do have a capsule collider. Yes, we do. Where is the capsule collider? Let me inspect that little. So अगर मैं अपने prefabs में से एक enemy उठा के यहाँ रख लूँ, how big is the collider? So the collider looks fine to me. There is nothing wrong with that. Similarly, मेरा जो FPS controller है इसका collider actually मेरा ख्याल है बहुत नीचा है. So probably they're not colliding with one another. I don't see a collider here, so maybe I can add a capsule collider here and increase the radius a little and increase the height a little, and let's see if the game runs fine. So I can go. Yeah, so we have this enemy coming in. Oh, somebody actually came and hit me. Come on, why didn't I really notice? Let's try again. Oh, you're coming in. So I'm busy killing him, but somebody else came in. So this is actually working for us. So the enemy comes in and attacks me and actually hits me and the game is over. So that's how enemy can actually take me down. I can take them down with the weapon and they can just take me down. Later on we can actually switch the animation to maybe hitting a sword or something. That can be done. But for now we're good with this. So this is how you actually make the enemies kill you.